Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. I teach my two young sons, the apprentices, the trade. As you see, they are not here today. I gave them the day off. Little celebration today, and I gotta go take care of one little simple job, a Moen cartridge, and I'll be taking a day off too. So, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and watch this journey as the apprentices learn the plumbing trade. The truck's waiting for them. We just need them to jump on board. So, appreciate the subscription, and we'll see you at the next job. Alright. Typical Moen. Hard to pull in and out. I forgot the grease in the truck. I forgot my eyeglasses. Pull the old pin. I think this is an old Moen legend. Moen 1225B going in. Went down, got my grease too. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, I forgot my glasses again. Jesus Christmas. Okay, there we go. Don't forget to put your horseshoe clip back. Make sure it goes all the way down. Boom. Smush it back. Alright, now. That's it. We're going to make sure the hot's on the left and the cold's on the right. Okay, I'm going to turn the order, make sure the hot's on the left, cold's on the right. If it isn't, I'm going to show you a quick trick. All you apprentices out there. There we go. Let's make sure everything's on. You know the deal, no packing nuts leaking here. Third floor, away. Okay.
this one's a little tough. Oh. Okay. Alrighty. No insurance right here. Right here.
In and out real nice. Perfect. Check it, hot's on the right, hot water. So, all you do is this. Rotate it to the left. Take the handle off. I know all you plumbers know this. Rotate the handle, but not the stem. Tighten it back on. Now coals on the right. Hots on the left. Boom, done. Don't forget the cap. Boop. I didn't even need my new mowing tool, so it popped out real easy and we're off to the races. I really don't want to work today. A couple little service calls, picked up an additional call there, and thankfully I had the part. So it's a wrap, and we'll catch you at the next job.